Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I ain't posted in a while, but work calls, right? So I just wanted to update y'all on some new indicators that I'm using. Multi-time frame MACD indicator here. I'm going to show you what it's called. It's called MACD Custom Indicator Multi-Time Frame Plus All Available Options. I don't know what all available options means on it, but what's going on with this system here is showing volume. This down here is just a multi-time frame MACD. You got some green and red dots. They aren't so accurate, but if you just want to play the MACD strategy, that's what I would be going for, and I'm trying to follow this right now. So if you can see, I was calling out TLT this morning, and it was like right here, and I was going to come up onto this strategy, which is the multi-time frame MACD SMA strategy up top, and if it breaks this multi-time frame MACD red line here, that you would see an upshoot. So it did, and there was your entry right there, and you could have caught that swing there and sold out by the end of the day today, basically. And that was a day trade. So MACD over here is peaking again, so we're looking at probably to turn down off of this and further. I see another orange algorithm in here that's being produced right now, where it's kind of the new yellow algorithm. It's just a little bit more of a tapering going on here like this, so you can see that it's tapering. It was tapering to turn up, and we got that reaction out of it. So you could have played that and got some money, right? I'm in TLT still. I'm still holding like $100 calls, whatever, out into May, beyond April here. So saying if we swing that up, but we also got a channel, a magenta channel, a larger magenta, running sideways here, so you obviously we're gonna peak at 97 and probably fall off, you know. Otherwise, or it goes up and continues to go up, but I'm not the one to say that right yet. We're just playing the swing chart. We bought in down here, and we're riding the way up. The options haven't matured yet, though, so got some money back because I bought in too early. I think I bought like around here or something, so it fell and then came back up. So that is the SMA strategy on TLT, swing strategy. And if we come over here and we can look at maybe one more example of this. So we're kind of in the middle of the MACD right now, which we're running on a what is it, a divergence, bullish divergence down here. So you can look back that if when we go in bullish divergences, then we get a pop all the way up to the top. So, and we got that pop there. However, your sales did. Whenever I see this, you're looking for another run back up now. I would think, unless we break this line down here. So your projected target, then how bullish is this going to be? I mean, we could get one that's really bullish, or we could get one that's like minorly bullish, like a measured move of this channel line. Probably wedge this out here, possibly. That looks decent enough there where it's actually lining up right with their whole setup here. And then ultimately putting in the lower low, and then we go into the bearish market. Could be, could not be. Let's leave that line there for now. And then I'll run SVIX. We are still in a breakout situation here. Hovering that top line. It likes to hover this top line a lot. I would not buy into this and wait for your pullback. At least to the SMA start salting when we get to this SMA here. So it looks like we're about to sell off tomorrow. So it's looking like tech is going to diverge from SVIX at least. So yeah, watch out for that. UNG is another new low. We're waiting for some sort of entry signal. Because this thing can drop like a falling knife right now, so watch yourself on that. We are peaking pretty bad, but it's peaked further, so you can see continued downside into something like this down here. So if you get your horizontal ray, you can pop this here. If we hit this blue line here, be buying. Alright. Always same as SVIX. I think that's it, guys. So run Qs for everybody since they like the Qs. Still downtrending here on your MACD. Still has room to fall. And it looks like it's in the falling pattern open, so still falling. Might actually bear trap everybody and pull up and run with might actually bounce here. It does overextend a little bit on your SMA here sometimes, but sometimes it bounces right off of it. And if we bust through it with any kind of pressure or whatnot, then be looking towards the green trend line, which we're almost at the green trend line here. So your SMA is going to bounce into here and then probably bullish up at this point. Don't quote me on that, but it's sitting on the SMA. It's already may have bounced quite a little bit off of it. And it would put in, if it's turned around there, it would put in your bullish divergence down here on your MACD and give me a green, give me something green like bouncing off that and then running back up. So we'll leave that line there, see what's up with that. VIX, it's going to be the opposite of SVIX right now. Still trying to trend up. If it breaks our line there and we actually do just run up on Spider, then it can do that. It is overextended from the SMA, and see how far that it likes to overextend from the SMA there. It looks like we're right around there, or we definitely were overextended at this point, following the blue algorithm down, and we're looking to convert into the yellow algorithm or the magenta algorithm. There could be a magenta here now, but yeah, VIX is kind of a little different ball game than that. But that's all. This is all on the 1 hour chart. I've been running 1 hour lately. You could run out to the 4 hours, but I'll let you guys do that. I'm sure you've learned enough from what you've seen here. So good luck.